Greetings, creative minds! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of digital borders, artistic masterpieces that don't just encircle your screen but open up a realm of endless possibilities. These visual delights aren't just confined to enhancing videos, they're versatile tools that can elevate your content, introduce scenes with flair, and add a touch of sophistication to even the most mundane tasks, like labeling your boxes when you decide to bring the digital into the physical. Whether you're a content creator looking to spruce up your videos or someone eager to add an artistic touch to your organization, digital borders are the key to unlocking a world of aesthetic brilliance. In this video, we'll explore the ways you can create your own using a very easy and free app called Paint.net. Link is in the description below. So, buckle up for a journey into the realm of artistic expression as we unveil the magic and versatility of digital borders. Get ready to redefine the way you present your content and make a lasting visual impact. Join me in this process of creating your own border from scratch. Create a new document in Paint.net and resize it to 16 inches wide and 9 inches high. Add a new layer and draw a rectangle by using the Shapes tool at the bottom of the toolbar. Set your brush size at 10 and make sure at the top your settings is on Draw Shape Outline. Draw the rectangle about an inch from each side. Add a layer and now instead of the rectangle tool use the ellipse tool. Keep Shift in and draw the circle by starting dragging from the top left corner until the circle is about an inch over the corner of the rectangle. Leave Shift and place the circle perfectly. You are now going to get rid of the part of the circle outside in the corner by using the rectangle select tool and deleting sections until it is all gone. Flatten the image and now get rid of the straight lines in the top left corner. The easiest way is to select a white area above or left of it, copy and paste and use the arrow key until it covers the line. We are now going to copy and paste this corner. Use the rectangle select tool and select the corner in the left. Ctrl+C to copy. Click on image at the top, then flip horizontal, then Ctrl+V to paste. Now select the top half of the document, copy and in image click on flip vertical and paste. Use your magic wand to select outside this frame and hit delete. Add a new layer. You can now use any nice background of your choice or you can create something in Lexica. I used the following prompt to create this image: background with evenly spread, colorful digital stars of the same size. In Paint.net, drag the new layer to the bottom and paste your preferred image. Resize your image to fit. Flatten the layers by clicking on image and then on flatten at the bottom. Change the color on the inside to 1 or 2 colors from the image. Use your color picker. Let us try another image from Lexica. I now want to create a border with green ferns around it. I will create images in Lexica to see if I can get something I can use. Here I used the following prompt: green ferns at the top, bottom, left and right. Digital border, illustration, green background. As a negative prompt I used person. I will open this image in Paint.net to see if I can create a border with it. I first create a new file 16 inches wide and 9 inches high. I resize the image to fit the page. I decided that I will use the right bottom corner and change the image so I can have the same in all 4 corners. First I am going to use the color picker to select the background color and using the brush tool I am going to brush over the areas I will not use. I am now going to separate the area I will use from the background. Use the magic wand to click on the plain green area and then click Ctrl+I. Copy using Ctrl and C, select all by clicking Ctrl+A and then hit delete. Paste the image and resize so it is 4.5 inches high and 8 inches wide. Have a good look and see if there is anything you would like to change. I am going to make the fern leaves a bit shorter to make it look better. I am using the rectangle select tool and select this part of the leaf and copy and paste. I then manipulate it to suit my need by making it a bit shorter. You are now ready to copy this to all the corners. Click outside this image in the corner and click Ctrl+I. Then copy. Click in image at the top and then on flip horizontal. Paste. You are now going to copy the bottom, so again click above this image and click Ctrl+I. Ctrl+C and then click on image and below it click on flip vertical. Save it as a PNG to keep the background clear. Or you can color the background on a layer below and flatten it before saving. Here I used this fern border with a yellow background. Next I am going to make an autumn leaves border. I will first create the leaves one by one in Lexica and then remove the backgrounds in Canva. In Lexica I used the following prompt: illustration, 1 acorn leaf, plain background. Then I changed it to autumn leaf. I created 6 different leaves. In Canva I open a presentation and upload the images. When you click on the image, it will appear on the presentation page. To remove the background, click on the image and at the top click on Edit Photo. On the left click on Background Remover. Do this with all the different leaves. I used 3 leaves per page, and on the 3rd page I copied the leaves and pasted it. I resize each leaf and place it where I start to create a border in the left corner. As you paste each leaf, it is automatically on its own layer. Sometimes you will need to bring the image backwards or forwards. Right-click on the image and hover over Layer to on the right, send it backwards or forwards. When done, save by writing a suitable file name at the top. Click on Share and then Download. Then click Download again. I will now use Paint.net to open this image. Copy and paste on a new document of 16 inches wide and 9 inches high. I will paste this image and resize so it is 8 inches wide and 4.5 inches high. To separate the image, click outside this corner and click Ctrl+I. Copy and click on image at the top and flip horizontal and paste. Now you are going to copy the bottom part and flip vertical and paste. This fall-themed digital border offers versatile applications for various purposes. You can use the same method to create various borders using Lexica and Canva. Then editing in Paint.net for final touches. Be creative and design beautiful backgrounds that surround a frame on the inside. You can also use images created in Lexica to use inside the frames as long as the color scheme matches the outside of the border. Last, but not the least, I am now going to share a secret method on how to create a multiple of pre-made borders using Canva. In Canva I will open Classroom Poster. Click on Elements and search for Flower Border. Click to add and resize at the top. Copy and paste. Rotate 180 degrees and fit at the bottom of the page. Save as Rose Border. Let us try another one. This one is just in one corner, so I will copy it and manipulate it in Paint.net to create this beautiful border. There are already pre-made borders like this one, and here is a Christmas border. Here is another Christmas border. And you even get Christmas borders for videos. Canva offers a rich repository of assets, inviting designers on an exciting journey of exploration and discovery. In essence, the magic of digital borders lies in their transformative ability, turning ordinary content into visually striking and memorable experiences. By incorporating these versatile elements thoughtfully, you can elevate your content presentation and leave a lasting impression on your audience.